Hey, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to give you a review on these lashes that I use. They're called Falscara by Kiss. It's about $24 if you guys are wondering about the price. You can find these either at your local Walmart, Target, Ulta Beauty, and I want to say Sally's, but don't quote me on it. I want to say Sally's, yeah. But I got mine from my local Walmart. They're super easy to put on. That's the one thing I do like about them. They're super natural. That's awesome. So I love natural eyelashes. I haven't got into that whole feather eyelash thing, and I'm not trying to make jokes or anything, but I like the natural look, and that's where I always like to stay. And like a natural, I might try them out if the time calls me to try them out, if that makes sense. But other than that, I'm always going to stick to something kind of natural when it comes to my eyelash. They're super easy to put on. Like, even a dummy can put them on. I did do a video of me applying these on, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like, and let's get to it. So here's the packaging. It basically have details or the description of what everything looks like inside, and I'm about to open it and show you everything that's in this Falscara lash packaging. So we have our little tweezers that help you put the lashes on precisely, and we have the little mascara looking applicator that helps you glue / seal in those lashes. So the bonding and the sealing right here. And now we have the lashes that come in different lengths. So this is what it looks like. They're basically regular lashes that will give you a natural effect when you put them on. All you have to do is just to make sure it goes underneath your eyelid and it sticks on just like that. See what I mean? So easy to put on, and I kind of give that magnetic effect where it feels like it just sticks on no matter where the glue is. I don't know. That's just what it feels to me. See, it's just so simple. I believe anybody can do this. My oldest daughter, which is 8, can do this. I just have that much faith in this product that is really that easy. And it's so natural looking. That's what I just love about it. It's just natural looking. Now I'm going to add on the seal. And all you have to do is just brush it on there like it's a mascara. Like it's mascara, just regular mascara. And you're going to just brush it up. And what this does, it just helps the lashes and your lashes to stick. And then you're going to take your tweezers, which I'm about to do now, and basically press on there so they both can collide together. And your goal is to basically make your eyelashes and the eyelash one. So now I'm just going to do the other eyelash, and I'm just going to let this B-roll itself out because I don't think I have to explain this twice. So let's go. so it doesn't really last a week. I was hoping it was gonna last a week, but it didn't. Actually, I slept with them for like 2 nights, and then the third night it started like falling off for me. So one YouTuber said if you do like the eyelash thing where you do it like in sections, it will last longer. So I didn't do that. Actually, I just basically bonded the whole thing, and as you can tell, and it started drying. So I don't know if that was the reason why, but they also give you like tweezers where you can press on and then seal it. So, you know, it's trial and error. I am going to try them again just because I'm curious to like see how much, like to see if it will last longer, like give me one more extra day. Yo, I hope this video helped you out with the whole like, you know, you need a little insider before you buy something. So it's always smart to do that research before you buy a product. And honestly, I give this product about a B just because it depends on what you want. So if you want something easy and it's like so easy a dummy can do it, I will buy these. Other than that, if you can do the false extension lashes by yourself, I'll just go to Walmart and buy the $5 ones and stick them on. If you know how to do the lash extensions and it's $5 just to get the whole kit at Walmart or Sally's, you know, then that's why I say it's a B. You know? But it does the job. It's very natural, and yes, it don't last that long, but still, you know, you can't beat it. So that's my honest review about it. It was super easy. I was a little bummed out that it didn't last as long as it, you know, I wanted to, but other than that, hey. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave in the comments below if you've tried it or, you know, this video helped you out. So see you next time. Bye.